Hey everyone, I just wanted to come on here, give you a glimpse into how great my life is, and to just kind of highlight why you guys need to do everything you can to get out of residential and level up to the commercial world, guys. Because you get to do stuff like this at 9 o'clock at night, okay? Get called out here, and all I know is there's a fan coil unit that they say isn't working right. All they told me is that it's in the basement. So I get to enjoy the search now in this school that clearly hasn't been used in a long time, and fix this unit. So before I went down the mechanical room, I wanted to film a little bit to show you guys, a glimpse into life. It's what we do, and this is why commercial is the envy of the HVAC world. We get to deal with the cleanest equipment. I don't have customer breathing down my neck, like the homeowner. So let's go ahead and get down here. Let's see. Oh, cool. All right, so the light switch doesn't work. That's okay, because I've got a flashlight. Here, we'll just go down here, see what's going on. Okay. All right. Okay. What do we got here? Nope, it's not gonna be in here. See, I get to work alone. It's a joy. Nothing's creepy about what I do, and let's see. For fuck's sake. Good God, what the fuck? Okay. All right, I'm not gonna hang in this room. Let's see. Oh, you gotta be time and a half. You're getting paid time and a half. You're getting paid time and a half. You're getting paid time and a half. Okay, come on. Let's find this fucking unit. Get out of here. What? Oh my God. All right, so we've got plaster molds for baby body parts. John body, arms, legs. Okay, I need to find this unit now. All right. Still no fan coil unit. Let's see that chalkboard. Leave now. Okay. All right, or die. That's cool. That's cool. It's just kids, right? It's just kid pranks. It's just kid pranks. All right, let's see. It's not in there. Okay, another star. Cool. Maybe it's up the staircase that goes to fucking nowhere. All right. HVAC, guys, has just been a treat. Nope, not even gonna walk around that corner. That might be it. So, if any of you guys want to run back to the truck and get my ladder for me, let's go ahead and start looking at it. Let me make sure there was 2 more rooms. Just one more room. the